Grating gets you all that carrot taste without big carrot sticks to bite through. Fish sauce. You need this in your cupboard. Yes, you! You need fish sauce in your cupboard.
Paprika, smoky and sweet. It can also range from mild to hot, hot, hot.
Fatty pork and sweet shrimp. I think that was the name of the band that played at my wedding. Anyway, how can you beat this combo, huh?
Spice Secrets Plum Sauce starts with our plum jam. And now, plum jam isn't a 90s band, but it is the starter to our dipping sauce with smoked paprika.
Hey, Jazz, how about I show you how to wrap spring rolls like a pro?
Sounds like a plan.
Get your rice paper.
Yes.
Give it a good dunk in the water.
Okay.
Just a couple seconds till it softens up.
You're giving it a bath. Kids would love doing this.
Kids would.
Beautiful.
Get it onto your work surface. Then we hit it with that delicious pork and shrimp filling.
Be generous.
Okay. I'll load it up just for you, love. Then you make it a nice little shape in the middle and wrap it like a big burrito or a shawarma. Tuck the sides.
Okay, I'm gonna start soaking mine.
Start soaking yours. And roll to seal.
You have to be quite delicate and gentle with these.
It's like meditation, right?
Yeah,
Isn't it
it
calming?
is.
Do you feel calmer?
You know, I wouldn't say that. I'll feel calmer once I eat that donut, but time to roll.
Yeah. Here, I'll load you up with the filling.
Thank you. Ooh, I'm tearing a little bit.
That's okay. You fold it over onto itself, you'll save it.
This is very delicate.
I feel like you'll be good at rolling.
I'm not bad.
Yeah. Nice.
Not bad?
Perfect.
There you go.
Ta-da.
Mine's a little longer than yours, but...
The flavor's what counts.
Right.
Here we go.
Look at you, Speedy Gonzalez over here.
I think we're almost ready to fry.
Yeah.
Let's build a few more.
Okay. I wonder if you could soak 2 at a time.
Wow, this is chaos.
No, this is genius. So is it okay? 2 at a time worked?
Listen, you win. It worked. Go.
Here we go.
Let's fry them up. Oh, you hear that, Jazz?
Music to my ears.
Ooh.
Our sauce is coming along.
That's gonna be great. These are ready to come out. Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh. Did you hear the crunch?
That's nice.
A couple more.
You get those in, and I'll go grab the plates.
Perfect.
Nice.
Look at that.
Are we ready yet?
We're ready.
Beautiful. Shall we plate?
Let's eat.
Let's go.
Okay, let's get into these.
Check out the inside. Crispy.
Oh, baby.
Is it talking to you?
It's talking to me. Look.
Oh, yes. That is nice.
Now we'll shingle them up like
Nice.
super
very nice.
crunchy.
I like that.
Wait for me, wait for me.
And the sauce.
For sure. Looks good.
Sauce with that paprika.
Oh, I can't wait anymore. I can't wait anymore.
I know. We have to start. One for you, one
you.
for me. Cheers.
Hold on.
Oh, you want to dunk first?
Post dunk.
Of course, in that smoky paprika. Oh, yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
I can double dip, right?
Double
This
dip is
mine.
allowed.
Because this plum sauce is perfectly sweet. Ooh.
Smoky paprika with the pork and shrimp.
This is so good. And you know me, I love my dessert. Cheers, cheers. But you nailed it.